What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Gonna go over our friend Solana. Currently sitting at 0.043. We're down 3% on the day. Market cap 103 billion. 24-hour volume 6.25 billion. So we have a nice bull flag, pulling back in our micro wave 4, and then looking to push up in a wave 5 in between 272 and 291 to complete the larger wave 3. So if we push up and we start to break the bull flag, you see a little retest, then you could be good to go. Otherwise, you can continue to come down to the bottom of the flag, which is sitting at about 198, and then see your bounce back to the upside. That's what we're looking for. If we zoom out to the daily chart, off the bear market low, wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, and now you've seen a beautiful 3-wave move. So you're pulling back in the 4, push up in the 5 to complete the first wave 1 of the 3, then you're going to pull back in a 2. You're going to see continuation 3, 4, 5, which will push you towards that target of 433. All right, gang, it's pretty simple when you use Elliott Wave to do your analysis. It's looking really good. On the weekly chart, we're consolidating. We're allowing the EMAs to catch back up. We're climbing up the stairs. That's exactly what you want to see. So no worries here with Sol. Just some consolidation, some accumulation before the next leg up. All right, gang, if you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including in North America. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in the US and Canada. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on your trade, on your fees, on every single trade. Once you sign up, literally will take 30 seconds of your time. Send me an email, give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects. My exact crypto trade setups were in multiple trades, my Forex signals, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. You also have access to my HODL all plays. You can see what I'm invested in when I'm selling, and all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX and send me an email. That's it. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.